Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can check link in bio on Instagram. So for example here, I have a content where on the bottom here it says, check the link in bio for detailed information on this, right? So your bio is on this. If you go to your account here, you'll see that this part of the section, this description is your bio, right? So your bio or your description or whatever you want to call it is just this part of your Instagram section. And if they say check link in bio, then they probably meant this link here, right? So the link on their bio. You can also check the link or on the tags here. Like for example, you can check the founder, but the link on the bio is this. And if you want to check or if you want to click on it, you just have to tap and there you go. Now you have successfully checked the link in the bio. And this is the website that's on their bio. And now you can go around and check what the website is all about. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.